Welcome back! Let's try that viral recipe for Creamy Cajun Chicken. It's like an upgraded Chicken Alfredo. We'll start by trimming and tenderizing 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You could also use thighs if you prefer them. Place the chicken in a Ziploc bag and add 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, or enough seasoning to coat the chicken completely, and a pinch of salt if you want to. Rub the seasoning into the chicken and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, but preferably overnight. Pull your chicken out of the fridge and preheat a large pot over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. When the butter is melted, add the chicken and cook about 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Don't drain the drippings, we will use them for the sauce. While the chicken cooks, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Once boiling, add 1 16-ounce package of fettuccine, or any pasta you prefer. Cook until al dente, that is usually 1 to 2 minutes less than the package directions. Drain the pasta when it is done. Warm the pot with the chicken drippings over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, add 12 cloves of minced garlic and cook, stirring often until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Deglaze the pan with 2 cups of chicken broth, scraping up all the brown bits. Reduce your heat to low. Add about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and stir to combine. Add 3 cups of grated Parmesan cheese and stir until the cheese is completely melted and smooth. Season with 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning or whatever suits your tastes. If you like it hotter, add more. Add your cooked pasta and mix to combine. Stir and heat the pasta through. The sauce should thicken just a bit during this part. If it gets too thick, you could always add more chicken broth, heavy cream, or some pasta water if you saved any. Assemble your pasta in a bowl and top with a few pieces of sliced chicken. Garnish with parsley and enjoy. This is a great dish that brings a nice subtle kick to the traditional chicken Alfredo. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. For news about upcoming recipes, follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.